na-receive na po natin guys, no, yung winidraw natin na 2 USDT. 1 minute lang, grabe. Legit pala guys. Guys, welcome back sa YouTube channel. For today's video guys, ay meron po tayong i-share sa inyo itong USDT Dodge VIP kung saan ay pwede po tayong kumita at mag-invest dito sa kanilang platform. So, first step guys, no, is need po natin mag-register. So, ito lang po natin dito guys, no, yung ating email, password natin, confirm password, security password at confirm security password at i-click lang yung register. Tapos po natin mag-register guys, no. So, ayan, ito po yung kanilang application guys. Mag-invest lang po tayo dito guys at kumita ng coins. Ayan, so dito po tayo sa quantitative trading. So, ito guys, no, i-click po natin nito guys, to. Click po natin tong quantitative trading. Ayan, so dito po tayo mag-invest guys, no. Ayan, so scroll up. Ayan, dito po tayo mag-invest guys, no, sa VIP 1. So, yung price nito guys, no, is 9 USDT. So, mag-invest po tayo guys, no, gamit ang 9 USDT natin. So, meron din po tayong VIP to dito. So, 29 USDT guys. Yan. So, hanggang 180 days. So, contract time po yan guys, no. Yan. So, mamili po kayo dyan guys, no, kung gusto nyo mag-invest. Yan. So, sa nakita nyo guys, no, is meron tayong $9. Yan, so wala pa tayong na-invest guys. So mag-invest tayo guys gamit ang ating $9. So dito tayo sa VIP 1. Ayan. So i-click lang po natin yung click to unlock. Confirm. So VIP unlock success. So click below to start quantification. Click natin nga. Ayan. So yan, so naka-receive tayo guys ng $2, 2 USDT. Yan, naka-receive po tayo ng 2 USDT guys. So today's earning is $2. So ito na pala guys, no, yung kita natin today guys kasi nag-invest tayo ng $9. So meron tayong kita na $2. So yung gawin lang pala natin guys ay pagkatapos natin ma-purchase guys, no, yung product, example VIP 1 or VIP 2, ay i-click po natin ito guys, no. Ayan, i-click po natin ito. Ayan, i-click po natin ito guys para ma-receive natin yung ating earnings every day. So, every day guys, click natin. So, meron po siyang timer. Ayan. So, na-click na natin guys. So, meron tayong $2 guys na income. So, araw-araw guys, no, meron akong $2 na income hanggang 180 contract time, 180 days. So, kung $9 guys yung ating invest, $2 pala yung ating ma-receive every day. Then, yung quantification times per day is 1 lang. So, it means isang beses lang po tayo mag-click dito. Ayan. So, pag maklik na natin guys, is ma-receive na natin yung $2. So, kung VIP 2 naman guys, no, is yan, isang beses pa rin yung quantification times per day. Then, yung ma-receive natin na USDT guys, no, na profit is $6. So, araw-araw po yan guys. So, dito naman sa VIP 3 is 89 USDT yung ating invest. Then, yung ating ma-receive araw-araw guys is $18. Yan, so, malaki yung kitaan guys. Yan, so ito na. Na-receive ko na yung ating $2 guys na profit. So kung mag-recharge kayo guys, no, is i-click lang po natin itong recharge. Yan. Ayan, ito po yung ating QR code or invitation, yung ating wallet address guys, no, dito sa ating wallet. So i-copy lang po natin yan guys, no, at mag-send lang po tayo guys ng USDT para makapag-invest po tayo guys. Ayan. So, punta lang po tayo doon guys, no, sa ating mga crypto wallet at mag-send tayo para makapag-invest po tayo dito. So, kung mag-withdraw naman kayo guys, no, is i-click lang po natin itong withdraw. Ayan. So, withdrawable guys. So, ma-withdraw pala guys yung ating kita ngayon. So, tingnan natin guys, no. Kunin muna natin guys yung ating wallet address. Yan guys, din i-paste po natin dito guys, no, yung wallet address natin. So dapat naka TRC20 guys, no, yung ating wallet address. Then yung withdrawal limit guys is 2 to 9999. So dapat hindi bababa ng 2. So yan, pwede tayo makapag-withdraw guys. Yan to. Then security password natin guys. Ayan, so i-confirm po natin guys. Yan, withdraw success na. So, ma-withdraw pala guys, no, yung ating kita guys, no, araw-araw. So, araw-araw din po tayo makapag-withdraw guys ng ating kita. So, everyday din po tayo makapag-withdraw guys, no, ng $6. Grabe. Yan, so kung interested po kayo guys, no, nasa description lang yung link nito at yan, mag-register lang po kayo guys, no, at mag-invest. So, pwede din po kayong kumita guys, no, sa pag-invite. So, yan, i-click lang po natin itong invite friends. Yan. So, makita natin dito guys na yung ating invitation link. So, i-copy lang po natin yan guys. At mag-invite lang po tayo guys, no, para meron po tayong commission na ma-receive. Na-receive na po natin guys, no, yung withdraw natin na 2 USDT. 1 minute lang, grabe. Legit pala guys. Ito muna guys, no, so, salamat sa mga nanonood. So, hindi pa pala nakapag-subscribe dyan, ay huwag nyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe para ah, updated po kayo sa aking mga videos na i-upload. Salamat! So, kung nakapag-invest na po kayo guys, no? So, kung nakapag-invest na po kayo guys at naka-receive na po kayo ng inyong profit ngayon. So, paki-comment na lang guys, no? Para, uh, uh, mag-iwan lang po ng comment guys, no? Kung sino man yung naka-receive na. Mag-iwan lang po ng comment guys, no? Kung sino man yung naka-receive kaagad ng ating So, mag-iwan lang po ng comment guys kung sino man yung naka-receive kaagad ng profit ngayon. So, mag-iwan lang po ng comment guys kung naka-receive po kayo ng profit. Alright.